This nugget will cover the fundamentals of installing the EPM agent manually. It's important to note that the EPM agent is required for policy enforcement on each endpoint. Without the agent, no policies could take effect. Let's take a look at the process of installing the agent for Linux. After authenticating into the EPM console, navigate to the Download Center. Under the Linux tab, select the applicable Linux distribution for your endpoint by clicking on the Download button. You'll then see a window pop up for downloading the Agent Installation Kit. This installation kit contains a tarball binary and a configuration file used for communicating with EPM service. For more information on this kit, see our Nugget on deploying at scale. Once the agent kit is created, you'll then see a window stating the agent release information and an installation key that is unique for that agent installation kit. Be sure to copy and save this key to a secure location, as it will be needed when we perform the installation. If needed, copy the agent installation kit to your endpoint and extract. At either a root prompt or using sudo, install the package contained in the tarball. This package contains the EPM daemon, which will be used in the next step. Call the EPM CLI activate command with a path to the config file and installation key. Afterwards, execute EPM CLI status command to verify connectivity to EPM SAS and policies have been downloaded. EPM is now installed successfully on your Linux endpoint. You should now understand the process of installing the agent for Linux. Thank you for watching.